I forced AI to build my perfect life. The results were insane. What if I told you a machine could design your perfect life? I handed over my goals, habits, and even my daily schedule to AI. And the results were terrifyingly effective. Here's what happened. Like you, I was drowning in self-help advice. Wake up at 5 a.m. Journal. Meditate. Too much noise. So I asked ChatGPT one question. Design the optimal life blueprint for someone who wants success without burnout. Here's what it suggested. First, I analyzed my personality with a simple quiz. Then, it spat out a brutal truth. I was wasting 3 hours daily on low-value tasks. Here's the exact routine it forced me to follow. ChatGPT generated a daily schedule for me. AI even scheduled strategic procrastination. Yes, lazy time is mandatory. And the weirdest part? It worked. The results. After 30 days, my productivity skyrocketed by 200%. AI spotted blind spots no coach ever did, for example. AI identified my time wasting, e.g., I check my email 22 times daily. Success is coming. We have to build momentum, and it's important. Thanks AI, I am feeling a new life, new ways, new dreams. CTA controversy. Now, AI isn't perfect. It told me to cut out all social media, which backfired. But here's the truth, artificial intelligence won't replace you. AI only replaces the people who ignore it. Who's stuck in the past. Adapt or get left behind, as the world evolves at lightning speed. Comment your biggest struggle. I'll ask AI to solve it next. And if you're ready to upgrade, smash like and subscribe. Your future self will thank you.
Welcome to Mindful Progress Coach, your ultimate destination for personal growth, success strategies, and a winning mindset.